So it looks like they finished the ceiling decorations in Umeda by the Hankyu department store. Hey everybody, it's the Costco Samurai here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to check out some of the Osaka illuminations in Japan. If you haven't done already, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's go. Look at that. Just amazing. They dimly lit the hallway, and you have these twinkling colors of blue over the glass. It looks like a sea of fishes. So serene, so calming. And then you have the Hankyu Christmas window displays. And I'm sure every hour on the hour there is going to be a music show. Usually it's kind of orchestral or some Christmas orchestra music playing every hour. Very nice. Looks so detailed. All the tiny, they look like glass fishes. That must took a while to bring up. Amazing. I don't know what this installation is, but is it supposed to symbolize a coral reef or something? Let me know if you know in the comments below. And then you have a swarm of fish over here. Right under the swarm of fish installation. That looks amazing. Let me pan to my left a little bit, very slowly. There you go, you see that big swarm of fish, do you say? Swarm of fish? Group of fish? Very serene Christmas feeling. The lights are a little bit dim so you can see the attraction of the displays on the ceiling. Really put you in the mood for the holiday season. And by the way, Merry Christmas, everybody. Although it's still November, almost Thanksgiving in the United States. Happy Thanksgiving to all those who are celebrating in the States as well. I hope this is going to be a wonderful holiday season for everybody. And of course, a wonderful New Year's for 2025. And I hope your 2024 was good as well. Staying healthy. Friends and family staying safe. Just amazing, the attention to detail. Putting up all these decorations must have took quite an undertaking this year. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining my channel today. Hope you enjoyed the illuminations here in Osaka. There's so many amazing places to try to adventure. If you haven't done already, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring. Bye, bee.